Hello everyone, Mr. Steinman here for another video on Cycle 1. This time we'll be covering and guiding you through Section 1.3. Hello, my name is Graphing Points. And, as you see, we have the examples here. I'm sure you have to take some time to look over them so that it can help you attempt one through the end. So for the first example, we're just going to go straight into it. Plotting the point negative 3, comma 4. So for the plotting the point negative 3, comma 4, we start at the origin. Starting the origin looks exactly like I'm showing right now. And then we'll move 3 to the left. It's 3 left. And 4 up. We'll go 4 up. And then we have the point that we wanted all along, negative 3, comma 4. And I'm aware that they did it for us here, but I'm just showing you the process if you were going to write it out. And it is located in quadrant 2. Alright, so we'll go to the next page and do the last 3 on this side. So for each point on the graph, state its ordered pair and the quadrant or axis where it is located. So if it doesn't exist on a quadrant, we'll just name the axis that it's located on. So in the case of point A, you can see it's located on negative 5 and 2, so we'll just say negative 5 comma 2, and it is in quadrant just like the last problem, quadrant 2. So that's A. B, as you can see, it's not in a quadrant specifically, but it's 0 comma negative 4 and is located on the y-axis, the vertical y-axis. And for point C, it's going to be 5 comma 0 is located not on the y-axis but on the horizontal axis, also known as the x-axis. So that is problem 2 for A, B, and C. And, we're going to go a little bit more in depth with number 3 here. We have each point, so we're plotting each point. So remember how we plotted the points earlier. The same process. So let's just say for point A, going 3 across, 4 up, and you get point A. For point B, we're going to exercise the same method here. Went 5 across, 1.7 up to approximately, that's where B ought to be. Now for C, 2, negative 4, so we'll go 2 and then go down negative 4. That is our point C. Notice how I'm sort of doing just the plotting for all of the points first. I find that to be more efficient, less confusing than doing each thing exhaustively step by step. And then negative 5 halves, which would be negative 2.5 to the left because negative 5 halves, and minus 4. So our point D would be here. Point E, we're going to go, well, it doesn't go anywhere to the right or left, but then it goes up 1, so that's point E. And then F, negative 3 comma 0, and that would lead us to putting F here. So we've already plotted all the points on the graph, so now what's left, what's remaining here, is just identifying what quadrant it's in. So A is in quadrant 2, B is also, A is in quadrant 1, B is also in quadrant 1. Let's see here. And C is in quadrant 4. D is in quadrant 3. And E is not on a quadrant, it's on the y-axis, vertical axis, and negative 3 comma 0, F, is on the x-axis, horizontal axis. So that was the solutions to number 3. And for number 4, quite a similar problem, just a little bit of different approach, doing it somewhat in reverse. We already have the plotted points. Now what we need to do is identify what the points are. So we can see A would be 2 comma 3. B is negative 4 comma 1. C is 1 comma negative 5. And D is negative 2 comma 0. And then A would be, again, first quadrant. Okay. B is second quadrant. It's pretty straightforward so far. And then C would be in the fourth quadrant, so 1, 2, and 4. And then D is not on any quadrant, actually just on the x-axis. And that was the guided notes for 1.3. And hope you guys have a good rest of your day.